Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to get rid out of this Adobe Genuine Service alert every time when you open any of this application of Adobe. Example, I have just opened Adobe Photoshop, but this pop-up is annoying. So I'm going to teach you how to tackle this. For example, you might be in different countries, okay? You might be getting this message in your regional language. Example, if you're in Spain, you may be getting in Spanish. Some people might be getting German version of alert. If you want to know, right, if you want to understand how to read this, simply what I will do is I will open the snipping tool. I will take this picture. I will take this complete picture, maximizing it. So I will use this OCR, text actions. So it will read the text. So I will copy, select all. So here I'm going to click on this copy all text. Then go to Google Translate and paste it here. So actually what it says, this unlicensed apps will be discontinued. Switch to genuine Adobe apps today with a special discount. Okay, this app will be disabled tomorrow. Fine. So I'm going to fix that. Okay. So going back to Photoshop, and to exit from this screen, right, you need to click on this learn more in English. Okay, you need to click on that. Automatically the alert will be gone, but this alert will be still exist. So what you need to do is simply first we need to close this. Okay, close it. We need to go to settings. Okay, under settings come to privacy and security, and then come to Windows security. So here, right, you need to go to firewall and network protection. And here you can see this advanced settings. So click on that. So it's opened. We need to create a rule. Okay, click on this inbound rules. Okay, and then select new rule. And here the program should be selected, and then click on next. So we need to provide that path of Adobe applications. For example, if you're getting the same error on Premiere or After Effects, you need to locate the path. I'm going to tell the shortcut. Okay, go to Adobe Photoshop, right click, and here go to open file locations. So click on that. So this is a shortcut. Okay, because you can see when you right click, go to properties, you can see the actual path. If you see the right in the under target, you can copy this. You can copy. Also, you can right click and open file location. The exact exe file location will be shown. So here also you can just copy it. Okay, right click and copy as a path. And then go back to the rule, firewall rule. So here paste it. So remove the double quotation because invalid characters is not allowed, and then give next. Okay, here we need to choose block the connections. Ensure that you have closed Adobe Photoshop or any other applications. I mean Adobe related applications. Then click on next. Okay, all should be selected, and then again next. So name it Adobe Genuine Alert. So that's it. Now click on finish. So here the rule is created. Okay, inbound rules are created. Next thing, you need to create outbound rule with the same path. By default another rule is created, but I'm going to create another rule and choose program, next, and copy the same path, remove the invalid characters, and then give next, block the connections, give next, and everything should be selected, give next, and again name it Adobe Genuine Outbound, just to remember it. So give finish. So both are created. Okay, now disconnect your internet connections and again reconnect it. Cool. Now open your Adobe Photoshop. Definitely this time you will not be getting any pop-ups. So Adobe Photoshops, choosing the recent file. So that's it, friends. See, as soon as we open, right, we'll be getting the Adobe Genuine Alert. genuine service alert, but this time I will not be getting anything because I have blocked it. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can block. You can follow the same method if you're getting the same message from Adobe Premiere, Adobe After Effects, Illustrator, any Adobe applications you can block in this way. So that's it, friends. Definitely this video will be very much useful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media form. Thank you. Bye. Take care.